Hello everybody, I'm your friend Para. I'm glad to record another tutorial video for you. This is one requested video because it is about the referral system that DexAppBuilder have, and we didn't talk about it too much yet, and we got a recommendation about talking a little more about this topic and show you how to create your multi-level marketing platform with DexAppBuilder or with your product made with DexAppBuilder. You will be able to create two levels of MLM. In this case, you will have two layers of referrals that will earn you money passively. If you are a YouTuber, if you are an influencer, if you are even a design agency or a freelancer, you can use this product for design. You will be able to deploy your DApp application with DexAppBuilder, and you can create more applications in top of DexAppBuilder. So you will assure not only you but also your clients that you will get your referral as you expected. For this purpose, we have the documentation ready for this, and there is some things I want to explain. Let's dive into DexAppBuilder documentation at docs.dexkit.com. Once you're there, you need to go into DFI products. Let me show you better how to enter into here. In any case, I will send you the link in the comments in the video, so you will be able to just click on there and go straight forward to here. This is the main page of the documentation. You can click on here, and once you're here, you will get at the left the referral system that I was showing you before. So, what is the referral system? This is aimed to those engaged in referral marketing, as we talked before, in order to strengthen the bond with their users by knowing the source channel for which they arrive. You can create as many links you want for all your social media platforms. Then you will be able to track better from which source are they coming. For example, if you're an avid creator of YouTube or an avid creator as well on Twitter or X, you will track with your referrals how many people are coming from each source. For example, if your DApp is this one, is called mycooldapp.dexkit.app, you can append this suffix and the source that you are about to track. For example, if you are tracking the blog, you will be using your link for your DApp. You can also include your custom domains with the suffix for the blog. We have also another important thing, that this is the first level, but you can have two levels. Then in this case you will be able to refer, and the second layer of the referral system will be complete. You will be able to enter in the referral system by going into DexAppBuilder.dexkit.com. I will leave you in the comments the description. You need to connect your wallet, obviously, because it will require to authenticate with our wallets in order to read which applications are we the owners. So in this case, we will be able to only modify and see the ones we are owners. As you see, I'm already logged. I'm clicking now on App Builder. In the top menu, click on Manage App, and if requested, you need to digitally sign with your wallet, and all the actions from now on will be authorized in some kind of parts, obviously, because if you need to send a transaction with your wallet, you need to authorize it again or by yourself and check the gas fees and stuff. This is only for authentication purposes with the system. Okay, once you are here, once you are in the back end of DexAppBuilder, you can check your application by clicking in the pencil. You will be able to see your application as long you have created. If you don't have your crypto app, I recommend you to start from a template. You can just clone a template and you will just need to modify some things and just be ready to kick out your platform or your business. Okay, now we are in the back end of the application. Now we need to go into analytics, events, and you will see some events here if you have used your DApp before or you have exposed your DApp before to the public. So in this case, some events will be registered here as swaps, logins, and other kind of stuff. In our case, we want to see how it looks to have an referral here. You can see that here are all the events in the application. We have only now 4 events because this is a very basic application that I just made for example. And you can here filter your referral. For example, if you have a lot of Twitter referrals, you can click here Twitter and you will see all your referrals from Twitter, and everything will be set here, so you will be able to see which ones are your referrals from which addresses, wallet addresses, and you will be able to track their events. In this case, we explain here very easily as well that you need to append your ref to the URL you want to track in order to follow that link. This is not a difficult thing to do, it's super easy. You can watch how your links are growing up or which ones are not growing up, and you need to reinforce the content in those social media. In any case, if you want to use DexAppBuilder to deploy your decentralized application with us, we are not charging anything for using our platform. This is a free to use application. We have some premium features, but they are not mandatory. You can use the application and you won't be charged anytime soon, or we don't have any plan to charge, so you can enjoy to have your own very decentralized application with all those things and advantage of having a decentralized application in this century, like for example to have a niche or a community of people that are engaged with you in some kind of activities that you made. For example, that if you are an influencer or you are a trader or just an entrepreneur that are you looking for a new incomes, because you think as well as we do since several years that cryptocurrencies represent the future of assets ownership. We think that sincerely, and we want to express our feelings by doing this kind of software that empowers you, the entrepreneur, to create their own thing on the internet and the Web3 without the need of suffering by coding or paying excessive amounts of money or paying anything to anyone in order to have your very own application. We made it simple, you can do it quick, And you can also sell, as I just told you here, your referral link. Then you will be able to have a better success with your decentralized application. Without anything to add, I say you goodbye, and I hope this video helped you to set up your referral links, and I hope to jump in another video very soon teaching you another thing of DexAppBuilder. I hope you have a great day, night, afternoon, and we see you later.